Hi, Ninang Jessie. Hi, Ninang Jessie. Ano naman ako? Thank you so much for this card. For this card. Kuna na. On your christening. Oh, from the... Oh, wow. Wow, Z. Look at that. From Ninang Jessie. Wow, this is too much, Ninang Jessie. Thank you so much. And there's a novel. There's a novel. Oh, thank you so much. You're so generous. Just like Tita Jel, we've got also the same. Thank you ni mga ninang. Ayan. To our dear Zoren, this is your Ninang Jessie. I may not be rich, but your Ninang is pretty. Ha ha ha. Kunana. Kidding aside, know that I will always be praying for you, that you'll always be healthy, and that you'll be surrounded with good friends who share great values and time of unending laughter. Your mommy is like that. She is a great friend. May you mirror that same qualities to your friends as well. Grow to be God-fearing, God-loving, and obedient to your parents. Know that you are loved without conditions, kahit pa maging makulit ka. Ask mom to translate. Anak ko, learn Tagalog na. God bless you always, baby Z. Nina, love Ninang Jessie. Ooh! Thank you, Ninang Jessie! See you again soon. Ooh! Ooh! Ninang Jessie, look at the camera na po. Ooh! Thank you, Ninang Jessie! Love you! Mwah! Mwah!